Missing someone.
Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's Bogarup and I'm back with another super duper fun video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell up, smash the like button up, and follow me on my social media handles. The username and the links will be in the description box below. And as you read by the title, today I'm going to tell you some tips or tricks on how to customize / organize your MacBook Pro your own way in a really minimal and aesthetic way. So yeah, this video also took some real hard work, so I'll really appreciate if you give a like to this video and subscribe to my channel. And there is also a tip for Windows user, so if you want to stick to the end and see that tip, just yeah, you can just do that. And this video is divided into chapters, not like other parts, but in this single video it's divided into chapters. And if you want a part 2 of this video, don't forget to comment. And like any techie video, if you want, you can just comment and I'll bring it to you guys. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, welcome to my MacBook screen, and when you enter my MacBook you can see this blue aesthetic-y wallpaper which I got from Google. And without before moving on to the first step, I want to show you how to get a wallpaper and how to set up your wallpaper on your MacBook, because personally I struggled a lot for it, because even in Pinterest I couldn't find a good wallpaper for my MacBook. So first of all, you gotta go to Safari. You gotta go to Safari and you gotta type in aesthetic MacBook wallpaper, and there'll be thousands of options for you to choose. But when you export them finally, they may appear blurred, so you gotta choose one with high resolution and with perfect resolution, whatever the size of the MacBook screen is. And suppose I choose this one, I'm just gonna go ahead, right click and go to save image as, and save it to my desktop. And now I'm gonna just shut the Google up, and I'm gonna go to this file and I'm gonna go to share and share this to add to photos. And now when it's saved to your photos, you gotta go to system preferences, go to desktop and screensavers, go to your pictures and select the one that you just chose, and here you go. This is the perfect way how you can have your own wallpaper. So guys, for the very second tip, remember it is compatible with both iOS and Windows. And pardon me for the background noise, my laptop's fans are loud AF. So now you gotta go to Safari and you gotta type in this website, which is flicklo.com. To easy your work, I have given a link for this website in my description box below, so you can just go there and do this. So there are 2 or 3 ways to make your screensaver aesthetic-y. I'll tell you in this video. So you gotta go to these 3 bars, and now it will take you to this to this page. So you got to scroll down and you will see 2 options, one for Mac and one for Windows. So I'm on Mac, so I'm going to download the Mac one, and it's downloading. So I have downloaded one already, so I'm going to click this for the quick process. Now I'm going to go to Flicklo Saver and I'm going to install this. So guys, it may take some time to appear, and mine is already there. As you can see, this is a turning clock, flipping clock as you say. So now you gotta the 2 or 3 other ways are in this session, in this section only. You can go for album artwork. You can just select some your favorite playlist, and you gotta just music albums and you just gotta insert it here, or you can do this photo wall and insert your pictures and it will show you as a photo wall screensaver or this reflection ones. So that's pretty much how you do it. And now you can just move to bin this file, Flickr file, and it will not hurt your screensaver. So that's how you get a good aesthetic screensaver for your own MacBook. So guys, for the very third trick, I'm going to show you how to get the star icon that I have right here. So first I'm going to just create a new folder so that we can just cover it with the star. So you got to go to Safari and type star icon with transparent background and search for anything, like it can be star or flowers with just transparent background, just remember the thing. And now I'm gonna scroll down and see many of them and yeah, figure out my favorite one. So turns out this is the one that I like. So I'm gonna go to save image and I'm gonna save it to my desktop. Then I'm gonna exit Safari and I'm gonna just do it and like just tap on it and I'm gonna select this and now I'm gonna copy and now I'm gonna right click on the folder and get info. Now I'm gonna go to this folder, click on it and Control V to paste, and that's it. How you like just cover your any folder with any icon. Just remember it should be a transparent background. So guys, for the very next step or trick, I'm gonna show you how to do the stickies things, how to just play with your stickies and make it more effective. So here I have my shopping list and just like made it up. So I have eggs, milk, bread and butter to shop. Just kidding. So how I do this is like I'm just gonna make a new sticky. So I'm gonna do Command N and here I have my sticky. Now you can just see up like where you have stickies written, you have file, edit, font, color, window, help. So there are many like colors for your sticky notes. If you want to do it green, blue, like I have this one gray, and you can just edit them and you can just like have new fonts and stuff. So I'm gonna quickly write like I want like film video. So now I'm going to select it over and I can do Command plus to bigger the text and Command minus to like smaller the text. I can do it like yeah, this bigger. Now I'm going to go to fonts and I'm going to show fonts and I can just select whatever I want, and I'm in love with this font. I don't know how to spell it, but it's like Helvetica New. So I'm just gonna go over to it and I'm gonna do bold italic, and if you also want to underline it, you can just go to fonts and underline it. See, you get the idea of how to do this, right? So now I can just write something and I'm gonna select it and I'm gonna make it smaller, so you can just play with it and do whatever you want. So right now I'm gonna delete it with Control W. Here you go. And now I'm gonna tell you how to play with your stickies and just bring up this picture. So basically you just need to transfer the picture to your desktop. Go to your desktop. Now if you will transfer this to your sticky note, it is not gonna be like a full one. So I'm gonna just click on this minus magnifying glass and I'm gonna just do Control Shift 4 and gonna take a screenshot of this pic. Now I'm just gonna get the screenshot to my desktop. Now let me show you. If you wait, I'm not on stickies. Well, what will happen if you have your stickies and you just go and have a new sticky and you just drag this file, so it's not gonna come full. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna again have a sticky. Okay, I'm not again on stickies, pardon me for that. So I'm gonna go again to stickies and I'm gonna just drag my screenshot up here, and now I can have my full photo in like quite a minimum space. So that's how you play with the stickies. Hope you enjoyed it. Let's move on to the next tip or trick. So guys, here I come up with the very last trick, which is to play with the Google Chrome and customize it. So basically, a lot of people like need this kind of like, what's your main focus for today? It's just gonna show your goals and stuff, and here you come up with the weather and stuff. So it's basically an extension that I downloaded from Google Web Store. So basically how to download this is, I'm gonna open just another tab and I'm gonna go to Web Store, Chrome. Then you can just open your web store and you can just type Momentum in the search tab, and here you go, you have Momentum. So I have already downloaded it because it takes like your name and stuff. Now I'm gonna remove it and show you how to customize it the other way. So basically I have customized it this way. So you gotta go to the pencil tool down below, and you can do like no background, pride, like these and stuff. So you can just go ahead and do anything you want. You can there are like some options that you can choose from. If you like galaxy things, you can just go and do this, and you can also add your personalized shortcuts like Netflix, Web Store, Instagram, Pinterest, whatever you like. And that was it for the last tip. This was it for today's video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell up, smash that like button up, and do follow me on my social media handles. I tried my best to make this scene techie, but I couldn't keep my laptop and make this techie. That's not my thing, I think. But yeah, if you want a part 2 or any techie video, you can just comment down. And this was it for today's video. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.